Today, let's learn some real environment queries. Like if a Linux admin is working in real environments, sometimes he have to join the bridges and they always used to be asked to run some commands by application team, or you can say on the demand from application team side. Like suppose they ask us to jump to any user, then they ask us to do ls-lrth. They will ask us to do ls-la to see hidden files. Okay, and then they ask us to go to Mozilla. So you just need to be imagine that it is happening in real time. Then they ask us to go one step back by cd dot dot. Then they ask us to go back to the Mozilla folder. Then we can do by cd hyphen. It means it is moving to our last working directory. Our last working directory was Mozilla. So we now switch back to Mozilla again by cd hyphen. And now if they ask us to go to home directory, then cd tilt, we will come to Sybase home directory. Then they ask us to execute like some script. Let's create a script first, like vi, press escape, I to insert, uptime, date, char, cat etc. Okay. Now press escape and save it by colon WQ exclamatory sign. Now just sh script. So before doing sh script, I just wanted to show you that script is this and Sybase is the owner. Group is also Sybase. So Sybase and root both can run this script. Other than this, no user can run. So let's run the script. See, it has given the output. And now suppose if we come out of the user and we try to log in with the user, John. Now let's see if he can go to the Sybase directory. See, it is permission denied because it was Sybase personal space and this is John personal space. So the user cannot jump into other user directory until we given him some rights to jump it. So this was the example for the real-time environment that our Linux admin faces. Thank you.